Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view or change your email password in Outlook so you can manage your security and keep your account accessible in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to your Microsoft account. The most direct way to handle your credentials in 2026 is by going through your centralized Microsoft profile rather than digging through the app's local menus. Look at the top right corner of your Outlook dashboard and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Microsoft Account. This action opens your web-based dashboard. In 2026, Microsoft has moved most high-level security features to the cloud to ensure that any changes you make are instantly synced across all your devices, including your phone and tablet. Next, locate the Security dashboard. Once your browser opens your account page, you need to find the specific section dedicated to your logging protection. Select the Change Password link. You will likely be asked to verify your identity using Windows Hello, a fingerprint, or a code sent to your phone. Once verified, you can follow the prompts to update your password. If you are looking to view it, you can often see the masked version here or use the Security Info section to manage how your password is recovered. While you cannot see your current password in plain text for safety reasons, this screen is where you regain control. In 2026, if you've forgotten your password, this change flow is the official secure way to reset it and immediately log back into Outlook with your new credentials. And that's pretty much it. To manage your Outlook password in 2026, click your profile icon and go to My Microsoft Account. From there, navigate to the Security section and select Change Password. This allows you to safely update your credentials and ensure your account remains secure across the entire Microsoft ecosystem. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.